Hi all, welcome to Healthcare Analytics. This video is on PROC report. In the examples that I discuss, PROC report will be used within ODS statement, ODS RTF output statement, because in clinical SAS we often generate reports in RTF formats. So all the examples will be using PROC report within ODS RTF statements. This video is meant for those who have some basic knowledge of PROC report. So we will see the purpose of missing option in PROC report. So the option name we are going to see is missing. So missing option in PROC report. So that's what we are going to see in this video. So let me show you the data set we are going to use for in this example. So this is the class data set we have in SAS help library. I have modified this a bit so that we have missing value for one of the student William. This is a student data set, class, the student names and their gender and the demographic details. I have also added extra variable country, and you can see that we have missing value for William for its sex and age and country. So for 3 variables we have missing values for William. So by default, when I generate a report within ODS statement, when I say ODS statement, it is ODS RTF file, the file path where the final output will be generated, and the ODS RTF close statement. So within these 2 statements I am writing the PROC report, because we often generate reports using RTF in clinical SAS. So when you run a generated report here with the column statement telling you what are the variables to be selected, and define statement defines how the variable should be used. Here sex is a grouping variable, and weight and height are used to generate the count, number of students for weight and number of students for height. So when I run this report, I get females and males. How many females and how many males? Because I am running the report with the grouping variable sex. So sex as value males, females, and missing as well. So sex as the distinct values are males, females, and missing. But you will notice that the missing value is not generated in the result. So the missing value by default is omitted in the final output. So if you want to retain the missing value in the final output, then we will have to provide the missing option in the PROC report statement. When you write the PROC report, data equal to dataset name and missing. So when we provide this missing option, we will notice that the missing value is also generated. So we have one particular student with a missing value for gender, 9 females and 9 males. 9 females and 9 males. The counts. So if we look at the data set, we have females 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And similarly, if you count the number of M's, it is 9. And we have one missing value for sex. So by adding the missing option, we are able to retain students, the number of students with missing value for gender or sex here. So that's the purpose of missing option. Now instead of way for count, if you want the mean, you can add mean here, and you will get the mean average. So let's run it. So now I got the average for females and the average for males for both height and weight. So, and for one subject we have only one value, and with one value the mean remains same value. So that is how we can tweak the output to generate the required results. So we have seen the purpose of missing option in PROC report, the missing option in PROC report. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.